to terminate all county Board of Health members without a public vote.
At the beginning of October, Board of Health members got notifications their positions were being eliminated effective immediately. This is the board which has jurisdiction over health emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as environmental emergencies. At least one former Board of Health member says the notice caught her off guard. The Board of Supervisors never gave a reason for the termination. Benton County has been without a Board of Health for 20 days. I talked to the executive director of the Iowa Freedom of Information Council to get his insight. Here to help us understand what is legally required by boards to take action on issues, we have Randy Evans. He's the executive director of the Iowa Freedom of Information Council. Randy, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it.
I'm glad to help.
So let's dive right in. The Benton County Board of Supervisors' decision to terminate all 5 members of the Board of Health seems to have happened behind closed doors. Tell us whether that's legal.
Well, from my analysis, it certainly seems contrary to both the letter of the law and the spirit of the public meetings law. The law certainly allows government boards to meet in closed sessions to evaluate, to consider the termination of employees or members of government boards. But the law requires that the person who's being evaluated or the person whose job is being considered has to ask for that session to be in a closed meeting. And as I understand, none of the members of the Board of Health made such a request.
What recourse do the members, former members, I should say, of the Board of Health have at this point?
The biggest power they have is to challenge what occurred with a lawsuit against the county. The Iowa Open Meetings Law allows such lawsuits if a court decided that the supervisors had acted inappropriately. The court has a whole range of options available, from fining the members of the Board of Supervisors to voiding the action that was taken improperly in a closed meeting. So, there certainly are options there, but ultimately, this is a matter where the Board of Supervisors has to answer to the taxpayers, and they have been left out in the cold. They have not been able to offer their opinions to their elected supervisors. They've been deprived of understanding why this occurred, and that's very unfortunate. And I hope that lots of other government officials learn an important lesson from this embarrassment.
Randy Evans, the executive director of the Iowa Freedom of Information Council. Thank you so much, Randy, for your insight.